Guys, finally get to see the new setup. Hi, Raven. Alright, new setup, guys. Walk in my room, which is like from garage, whatever. Yeah, that's my curtains. From the basement, basically. There we go. So I've got a little sofa there, which I don't know if I keep it there. I might just move it, but it felt kind of empty there in that space. Table's pushed back over there now. We have a monitoring PC, which is actually under there, and that runs this monitor, the keyboard and mouse. I don't actually need that keyboard and mouse because I can control it from here. See this mouse, the main one, and I can just, do whatever I need to do there. But yeah, works nice. That's from the multiplicity thing from Stardock, which is on the Humble Bundle right now. If you honestly, you guys should pick it up. It has so many awesome software in there. There's no reason not to pick it up if you're a PC user. But yeah, so I got that. Chair, got a little sofa thing underneath there, ottoman. We got a 1080p screen there, 1440p, 144 hertz curved monitor there. The Cooler Master Quickfire TK with Cherry MX Blue key switches, Steel Series mat, it's one of those thick ones, so it's comfortable on my wrist from the edges. PS4 back there. Got my sensors for my Oculus Rift. There's one there which I need to connect. I'm about to do that right now. There's one up there, and please cringe. I know this part's really, really messy, but there's like one there too in this area, in that little thing. So these were actually 3D printed. See those mounts? These 3D printed them and put double-sided tape, and they work awesome. Then they have those the USB active extensions. I thought I had 3. I can't find the third one. I only have 2 connectors. I don't know where the third one is. But luckily this kind of reaches. I can't like hide the cable, unfortunately. As you can see, I'm having to like do that, which sucks. I'm gonna clean that up a little bit back there. It's not bad though. The reason it is like that though is because I couldn't find another HDMI port. Or actually, I don't even really need HDMI. I need an HDMI or display port to the HDMI, because for some reason the NVIDIA cards, they put 3 display ports and an HDMI. Only one HDMI on the back of GeForce cards, which is pretty stupid. I wish they would do 2 and 2. There's DVI, but I'm not running DVI. And actually, even the DVI to HDMI ones I do have won't even reach from the back of that to that. And I'm definitely not running DVI on 1440p, 144 hertz. I don't even know if it'll do that, actually. But, so that's running right now. So basically, I run an HDMI cable to this display cable to that, and then when I want to watch TV and I'm in bed, I just unplug it from the back of this. See, it's right there. Pretty easy. Just pop and stick it in the back of that. That's a Sony Trinitron. And yeah, I actually got my mic in the back now, so it's mounted back there, out of the way. Got my Oculus, the antenna, double-sided sticky tape now, so the cat can't knock it off. Well, I guess you can still do that, but at least the base is still there. I got my FiO E10K mounted to the back of the case now. So this is where my amp DAC, bass, gain, they just plug in here. And I've got my headphones there. Those are the headphones. What are they? They are Skull Candy Crusher Wireless, which they're not like audiophile, but they hit so hard. They sound really, really good. I've got really expensive ones, like these crossfades V-Motos. I need to actually repair them though. The jack inside got messed up in there. But yeah, so so I got that. Then I got my USB 3.0 switch now, so I can literally just turn them on and off. That's mounted too. Computer's there, all set up. The freaking LED went off on my thing, so I gotta figure that out. I don't know why the left side's off. But yeah, got my little holder there. So it's doing pretty good. We'll try some VR. I haven't tried some VR in a while. Alright guys, the vape guy's here. He's bringing my juice. He's only about 10 hours late, so I'll go pay the dude. Alright, I'll see you in a bit.